How to disable ad blocker on Brave website. Wanna see ads on a particular website while using Brave? You can temporarily disable the ad blocker for that site. This video shows you how to do it in under a minute. Open the Brave browser and navigate to the website where you wanna allow ads. There are two ways to disable ad blocking for a specific site. Look at the address bar on the right side and you'll see a lion icon, the Brave Shield symbol. Click on the lion icon, a drop-down menu will appear. Within the drop-down menu, you'll see options like block trackers and ads. Click on block trackers or ads to toggle it off for this specific website. You'll see the text change to allow all tracks and ads or some wording. That's it. You've successfully disabled ad blocking for the current website using the Brave Shields. Now, you should see ads appear on that page. Remember, disabling the ad blocker for all sites is not recommended. It can expose you to intrusive ads or malware. Use these methods only when you specifically want to support a website by allowing their ads. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Brave browser tips and tricks.